Today I am sharing the best crispy fried chicken recipe. Secret reveal: easy and delicious. Anyone can make it. Chicken breast, 200 grams. Cut small pieces. Salt to taste. Black pepper to taste. Garlic powder, 1 teaspoon. Chili powder, 1 teaspoon. Lemon juice, 1 teaspoon. Mix well. Done. Cover and rest for 20 minutes. All-purpose flour, 100 grams. Cornstarch, 50 grams. Baking powder, a half teaspoon. Black pepper, a half teaspoon. Garlic powder, 1 teaspoon. Cheese seasoning, 1 tablespoon. Mix well. Water, 2 to 3 tablespoons. Rub it with your hand to make it lumpy. Now I'll just strain the lumps. Put in the plate. Leftover fine flour, transfer to the bowl. Add amount of water. Mix it. After 20 minutes, put chicken in the sticks. All done. Dip the chicken in batter to keep it moist. Spread plenty of tempura dough. Done. Fry it. Fry 10 to 12 minutes, or until crispy and golden brown. Flip. Nice and golden. Done. Remove excess oil. Ready to serve. Ketchup and white sauce on top. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.